Our today's topic is consistency and solution of algebraic equations. For that, we have to know what is homogeneous system of equation and non-homogeneous system of equations. First, homogeneous system of equations means Ax is equal to 0. The equations type x plus y plus z is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 0, x plus 2y plus z is equal to 0. We can write in matrix form as coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z. Same here, same here. Here x, y, z is equal to this 0. This A, X and B, where in homogeneous system B is 0. Now some theorem first. If A is a non-singular matrix, then A inverse B is solution of X is equal to B. Theorem second, if A is non-singular matrix, then X is equal to B has a unique solution. Theorem third, if A is a non-singular matrix, then X is equal to inverse B is unique solution of X is equal to B. Method of finding solution X is equal to A inverse B of Ax is equal to B is called matrix inversion method. Now question, find the solution of a given matrix. Here 0 0 0. Is this homogeneous system of equation? Yes. Then we know this is coefficient matrix A, this X and this B. According to theorem, X is equal to A inverse B, but here B is a 0, hence X is 0. Now if we represent this dot 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 and this is coefficient of A matrix and this is B matrix in this form, then it's called as argument matrix A B, or somewhere this write as A star. In argument matrix A star, we reduce echelon form. If rank of A means argument matrix is equal to rank of A, if rank of this argument matrix is equal to only this rank of A, then equations are consistent. If rank of argument matrix is not equal to rank of A, then system is inconsistent. Rank of A means from here to here, because this is B and we represent A, B in a one matrix, then is called argument matrix. If ranks are same of A star and A, then this is consistent. If rank of A star and rank of A is not equals, then system is inconsistent. Hence homogeneous system is always consistent, because in homogeneous system B is always 0. Now what is non-homogeneous system of equations? Here is always not equal to 0 for at least one equation. Here these are two equations. We can represent Ax is equal to B, A, X, B. B is not 0. Here 4 and here 2. Now X is equal to B's solution in non-homogeneous system. It may consistent or it may inconsistent. When consistent, rank of A is equal to rank of argument matrix. Inconsistent, where rank of A is not equal to rank of argument matrix. If consistent, then unique solution. When rank is equal to number of unknowns, then it has